Hi guys, welcome back to Marantz. Rantz, plenty of good information, a little bit of motivation, a whole lot of truth. No financial advice. I know tomorrow is earnings day. We're all we're all very excited for it. I'm gonna go over some numbers. I'm gonna go over everything I can with you guys. It's a little bit harder tonight because I'm not feeling very well. But I don't even know. I wasn't gonna make this video. I wasn't gonna go live. I couldn't do anything. My body is hurting really bad. But we're here, so let's go get it. No excuses. Let's go. All right, so GameStop's website, phenomenal. I picked up a Kobe Bryant rookie card right now. Over 30,000 cards, PSA graded online. Oh, look at that. Numbers down to 29,959. It was just at 30,000 plus, so that's pretty cool. Cards are coming in and out of this website like crazy. I can only imagine what it's like now that we've turned up the heat on the inventory. That's pretty good. We'll go to the numbers, sure, but first let's look at my portfolio. This is my position in GameStop. Currently worth $57,258. Trying to turn that $57,000 into something. I'm down around $700 after 4.5 years. I know a lot of people try to make fun of me on that and laugh at me or whatever. I can't time the top and bottom of markets. I'm not a day trader. I'm not a swing trader. I'm a momentum trader. I'm just an investor, and I like the stock, and this is all I want to do. This GameStop. So I'm proud of my position. I'm happy with it. I wish I could have bought more this week, this month, but I just can't right now. But it's okay. Um, let's talk the chart real quick, as you guys can see it. There's the chart, looking perfect, ready to break out. Had some real movement here, right back up to the line of support. Some people would call it resistance, not me. I think GameStop's insulated itself very well on the daily. So anything above 23 is about average. My cost average is in 23s, so we're right there. I have this whole breakout here happening. We'll break out, we'll then retest, and then eventually break out of here and retest all-time highs. That's a true thing. This is the weekly right here. We're on a golden cross, and we'll see how it all plays out. Now, a lot of people tell you golden cross doesn't matter because volatility's down and or the volume's down. That's okay. It's okay because this is a stock that's mute. It's a stock that shouldn't move, but it does, and warrants, smaller float, more volatile, moves a little bit more active. But hey, GameStop's earnings coming out tomorrow, and let's project and see where they're going to be. So go back here. Let's go get the numbers from last year. And I'm going to take a lot of things into consideration, like I always do every time I do something like this. One, Wall Street's projecting revenue in the $890 million, somewhere in that range. We can just call it 900 million flat. I think it's gonna be more than that. Could be all the way up to 925, depending 930, depending on power packs and what they did. I know it's in beta, but everyone knows that they had some really good traction there. So I'm gonna go with $900 million for the quarter. So for quarter three total, right here, total would be 900 million. If I factor in the 30% on gross profit, you're looking at $300 million. So I'm looking at 300 million right here on gross profit. Just ballparking right around that total. So 300 million. I think SG&A is going to be around 220, maybe 225, but 220 at least. So I'm guessing they made $80 million. $80 million on ops is where I'm coming out. Just ballparking a number. Another 80 million on cash interest. So I'm going to go with $160 million. We're going to have a deduction right here in Bitcoin. I don't think we have it, but I also think that we're going to get rid of the asset write down or right here that cost us something last year. So I think it's a break even. I think we're not going to lose much. So 160 is the total I have for profit. I'm going to go with that number. I'm going to stick with it on income. I don't care about taxes or anything like that. I think GameStop does the right thing. So they can come out at 160 on this number here, which would be an increase of 143 on the trailing 12. So if you look at the overall, we should be coming in at 143 plus this. So you're looking at around $505 million for net income. So yeah, 160 looks like a good number. I know I said it was going to be something different to you guys earlier, but I'm just being, walking it through. But here you go. So I see them coming in at 510 total for trailing 12, which is a huge number. I also think they're going to be having a good quarter for the quarterly here. I think they're going to come in at $160 million of profit. That's going to equate to something like 40 cents per share, if I'm not mistaken. 40 cents per share is up there. I believe something close to that. So I'll take the 30 and 40, whatever it may be, but they're going to be closer to a dollar, over a dollar. I should tell you that. Over a dollar per share on EPS right here, trailing 12. So they're going to come kill that number. I think they will. I think Wall Street should celebrate. I think everyone should. This is quick, fast, and easy only because, like I told you guys, I'm not doing well. And this is more personal here, but my wife's cousin passed away yesterday, and it had a lot to do with health, and he was younger than me. He was 39, and I just think like it's time for me to take this serious. So I'm giving myself a clean bill of health today. I didn't consume anything I shouldn't be consuming. No fried foods, no heavy starches, just cleaning up my whole act. And because I weighed in at 254 pounds tonight, that's officially the heaviest I've ever been. I probably was heavier yesterday, but I started cleaning it up today, and I have migraines because of it. So love to be there for earnings. I won't be. I'm sure all the other people out there will be live, and you guys can watch them. But I will be live tomorrow evening, hopefully in a better capacity. Hopefully I'm going to get some sleep right now. I know it's barely 8 o'clock, but I can't take it. My body's hurting. So a lot to be proud of, a lot to look forward to. Let's go do it. It's GameStop, can't stop, won't stop. GameStop, $160 million of profit. It's about to just rip Wall Street apart. Now, let's talk about the coincidences that happened before GameStop announces something crazy like this. Carvana magically gets into the S&P 500. Nvidia magically is allowed to sell chips to China. And you name it, everything around you happens this way, how they pump things around you. So just be aware. There's not coincidences out here. I know that. I'm going to go throw up. I'll see you guys around. GameStop, can't stop, won't stop. GameStop. I'll see you around, millionaires. Peace.